Hey guys, welcome to Alley Cat's Corner. Queen of all trades here. Today I'm going to show you how to make your on gasket for your carburetor for your lawnmower. Anyway, please hit that like button and subscribe. Your support means a lot to me. Okay guys, this is where it gets interesting. My gasket was totaled and it can't get the gas flow if the gasket does not seal the carburetor to the little pump that you push in, because it's a push pump. So I'm going to make my own gasket. You can use a cereal box or any item that has a shiny treated ahead and redone the gasket because, you know, I have to be perfect sometimes. So here is my template for the gasket, but throughout the video I did the same thing, so just made it a little neater and fit a little better. So thank you for watching my video all the way to the end, and if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please hit the like button also, and stay tuned for episode 3 when I get it all put back together. Have a great day.